Oh, we got music in the background. Alright, here's my best friend Holly and my other best friend Tanner.
I don't like you.
That's epic. Anyway, back to Holly. We are doing a very, what is the word? Very momental, it's a very special time we're doing right now. We have Shadow with us right now, and we are putting Shadow into a tattoo on Holly. We're putting him in.
Put him in the black ink.
In the black ink right there.
It's on my
Putting
finger.
Shadow. Oh, Shadow's actually on her fingers. I actually just got some of Shadow and put them right about there on the boobs. So
He was a boob man.
he was the boob man. So this night is a salute to and a shout out to Shadow. He is going into Holly's tattoo, so he will be with her forever. And I was stupid and dumbass and forgot to put it in my tattoo. So maybe my next one. I'm not really sure. So anyways, love you, Shadow. May God rest in peace. Anything you want to say, Holly? We miss you and love you, Shadow. Alright, let's get this party rolling. Say peace, say deuces, and all that, Tanner. That's what's up.